Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Removing a watermark can violate copyright and lead to legal penalties and civil liability. Don't attempt unauthorized removal or distribution of protected videos. Instead, contact the content owner directly and request permission or a license to use the footage. Purchasing a license grants legal rights and removes restrictions without circumventing protections. Using original project files from the creator also grants lawful control when they provide them. Always assume a watermark indicates ownership and act accordingly to avoid legal risk. If you need watermark-free video, purchase a license or subscription from the owner. Many platforms offer paid tiers that export without watermarks when you buy them. You can also request the original project files from the creator for lawful reuse and editing. Licensed stock footage services sell clips with clear usage rights and commercial options. Creative Commons clips are available when you comply with specified attribution or non-commercial terms. Choose an option that grants the rights you need for your project. To prevent watermark conflicts, create original footage for your projects whenever possible. Maintain clear records of licenses, permissions, and agreements for any third-party clips you use. Apply required attribution and retain creator credits when the license mandates it for legal compliance. Use reputable paid tools or services that legally provide watermark-free exports after purchase or subscription. When in doubt, ask the content owner for written permissions specifying allowed uses and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.